children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Perpitin Fernandez, teacher of Toddle Down. Children, today we are going to learn about touches, good touch and bad touch. Before starting the lesson, I will ask you some questions, okay? Now tell me, have you seen a butterfly? Has anybody seen butterfly? Yes, you have seen, right? What does a butterfly do when you go to touch it? What does the butterfly do? It flies away, right? And what about a bird? What does a bird do when you go to touch it? What does the bird do? The bird too flies away. And have you seen a turtle? What does the turtle do when you go to touch it? The turtle hides in his shell, right? He goes in his shell. What does the dog do when you go to touch it? You don't know the dog and the dog also doesn't know you. So what does the dog do? When you disturb him, he barks. And if you disturb him more, what he does? He even bites. So why do you think all these animals react like this? Because they don't like anybody touching them. Okay? So before starting the lesson, I will tell you about some parts of the body which are good to touch and which are bad to touch. Okay? Let's start. Children, now in this picture you can see a boy and a girl. Now can you tell me which part of the body of the boy and the girl can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see head, eyes, nose, ears, neck, shoulder, stomach, hands, thighs and legs. These all body parts you can see. But there are some more body parts which are covered with the clothes, and those are our private body parts. The parts which are covered with clothes, those are our private body parts. And those parts we should not allow anybody to touch. And we should also not touch anybody's private parts. In this picture you can see some body parts are highlighted with green, yellow and red color. The part which is highlighted in green, that is hand, that is okay to touch. The part which is highlighted with yellow color, that is head, neck, shoulder and leg, that sometimes you may not like anybody to touch. And the parts which are highlighted in red color, that is your mouth, your chest, your thighs, your buttock and in between your legs. Those are your private part, and those part you should not let anybody touch. Children, now you know what are our private parts, and our private parts should not be touched by anybody. Our private parts can be touched only by our parents when they are giving us bath or when they are changing our clothes, okay? Or even a doctor, when a doctor is checking us or he is giving us injection, but only in presence of our parents, okay? So at this time only our private part should be touched. Now I'll tell you what is good touch and what is bad touch. So what is good touch? When our parents and grandparents hug us and kiss us, we feel good and happy. We feel safe. That is known as good touch. Okay. Now I'll show you some examples of good touch. These are some of the examples of good touch. When your mummy, daddy or grandfather or grandmother gives you hug and kiss, when your teacher gives you pat on your back, when a doctor checks you but in front of your parents, and when there is a high five or handshake between friends. So these are some of the examples of good touch. What do you mean by bad touch? A bad touch is when someone touches your private parts and you feel uncomfortable, you feel bad. That is known as bad touch. A bad touch is when somebody is touching you and you are not liking it. You are feeling uncomfortable, you are feeling unsafe, and you are not liking the touch. So that is a bad touch. Okay. These are some examples of bad touch. When somebody touches you and you don't like it, you feel uncomfortable, that is a bad touch. Children, now tell me what you will do if somebody is giving you a bad touch. What will you do? Like example I had given you of a bird, the butterfly, and a dog and a turtle. What do they do? The bird flies away, the turtle hides in his shell, and the dog barks. Now these are animals, they can't speak, but we can speak, right? So what we have to do? First, we have to say a big no. What will we say? A big no. Okay. Second, we have to run away from there. Okay. And third, we have to run and we have to go and tell the people who are there in a safe circle. Okay. Now, what is a safe circle? A safe circle is a circle in which there are people with whom we are comfortable speaking to, with whom we are safe. Now we'll see those who are there in a safe circle. This is a safe circle. And who all are there in safe circle? A father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, and your teacher. These are the people with whom you can share. We should not keep any secret. We should go and tell whatever is happening wrong with us. We should go and tell to these people. They are going to help us and they will protect us because they love us. So these are the people in safe circle. Children, now if a stranger comes in front of you, what we have to do? Are we going to talk with the stranger? No, we should not talk with a stranger because a stranger is a person whom we don't know. So we should not take anything from the stranger, or whether he is giving chocolate or he is giving you toy, or if he tells you he'll drop you somewhere, or he tells you keep this as a secret. So we don't have to listen to the stranger. We have to go and tell to the people who are there in a safe circle. If the stranger is troubling you, first we have to say no, then we have to run away from there, and then we have to go and tell to the people who are there in the safe circle. They are going to help us from the stranger. So stranger is a danger. Children, did you all understand what is good touch and what is bad touch? Now tell me, what is good touch? A good touch is when your parents or your grandparents hug you and kiss you, you feel good and safe, and that is known as good touch. Okay, say again. When parents or grandparents hug you or kiss you, you feel good and safe. That is known as good touch. Now tell me, what is a bad touch? When someone touches your private parts, you feel bad and unsafe. That is known as bad touch. Now tell me, which is your private part? Private part is that part which is covered with swimming suit, and those part no one is going to touch, and even you are not going to touch anybody's private part. Private part can be seen and touched only by parents and doctors. Parents when they are giving you bath and when they are changing your clothes, and doctors when they are examining you. They should examine you in front of your parents. Okay? Now, what will you do if somebody is giving you a bad touch? What will you do? First, you have to say a big no to them. Then, second, you have to scream. Show me how we'll scream. Yes, you should scream loudly. And third, we should run away from there. Okay, after running, what should we do? We should go and tell to a safe circle, to our parents, grandparents. Okay. Now, who are there in a safe circle? Our parents, mummy, daddy, our grandparents, our teacher. These people are there in safe circle. Okay. You, whatever difficulty you are getting, anybody is troubling you, you are feeling bad about it, you should always share with your parents. They love you and they listen to you and they are going to help you. Okay? So never keep a secret. Always go and tell everything to your parents. Okay? So children, be safe, be at home and take care.